Ooh, I've got to get this order in. It's in. Hey, I've got mail. Hey guys, welcome back to Miniatures Mayhem and More. This is Kina, and guess what? I've got mail. So I was supposed to record a whipping check because today is Wednesday. But I'm gonna reverse up the order because I got mail and I would like you guys to see what I got. My habit has been to get mail, put it to the side, not open it for months at a time, and then have no clue. So as I play catch up to opening and doing some unboxings, as I get mail, I'm going to open it. So that's what I'm doing today. So these packages came over the last couple days. So I'm just going to show you what I got. I opened this because I didn't know what I ordered. But it is a planner. And my daughter had given me a planner, which was an awesome 18-month planner. And I'm like, I like it so much. They did not have the brand that I wanted, but they had this. She believed, so she believed she could, so she effing did. Love it. I'm not a flower person, but for this planner and for what I'm using it for, as far as being a YouTube creator, and another thing that I got going on that I will let you guys know about as soon as it's closer to coming to fruition. But anyway, if you are not one of those people who enjoy four-letter words every now and again, check this. I'm not going to do it. Wake up, kick ass, repeat. So those are the kind of sayings that they have, and that is August. So I'm going to just show September. So here's September. Where I don't know what this, it gives you goals and it says effing gold digger and tackle this effing list so you can get your list done, crush that, a little motivation. The future is badass for September, and this is so appropriate with what's going on. It is badass. So it has little sayings, gives you the monthly view. Also gives you daily views where you can figure out what to do. This was for Labor Day, 3-day effing weekend. I cannot. Yeah, this is hilarious. I'm gonna let you guys read that one on your own. Also, sweater weather. It's just that little thing that'll make you smile. I cannot. If this is not your thing, don't order it. I'm sure they have something, but this spoke to me. This is October. Bold is the new. Beep. Beautiful. Anyway, that's the planner. I really, really love it, and it goes through 2022. I did not even look at this, really. So apparently, as I get to the end, I can write notes and stuff. Oh my God, it has stickers. Yeah, I actually really like this. I'm gonna check it out. I got this on Amazon, and I will probably not put it in the description, but if you guys want to know exactly where I got it from, you can leave that in the comments, and I will let you guys know the exact website that I got it. This is awesome sauce. I love this planner. All right, so that's that. So I can stay organized. Then I got this. This is from Tig's Creations, and it's upside down because her address is on there, my address is on there, and you guys don't want to know that information, for real, you don't. Yesterday, I think it was yesterday, I took a nap and I woke up to sirens going off. which was not a big deal because it was a Tuesday, but they already had done the siren testing in the morning. This was late afternoon. So I'm like, what the heck? So in the town right next to mine, apparently there were funnel clouds, so tornado warnings. I'm in the Midwest, so of course that's what we are subject to. Now, I already know what these are because of course I ordered them, but these are trays from Tix Creations, and I ordered these trays a while ago, and somehow my order got lost in the shuffle. I sent Tracy a quick email like, hey, what's up with this order? Or not even an email. I think I messaged her on Messenger with my receipt and my order. She responded in a timely fashion. Said she would get it right out to me. She would see what's going on. And she did just that. So my trays actually arrived days ago. I'm just now getting into the box, because such is my life, right? Alright, let's see what I got. Unfortunately, when I went on her website, they did not have the large trays. And so I'm like, what the hell? Everybody else is getting the large trays. I'd already ordered the small trays, which my granddaughter has confiscated, which is going to irritate me. But here are the small trays. This is the bottom one, so the lid is not here. I don't know where she put my other trays, so her and I will have a talk today. But I ordered more. You get this cute unicorn wrapping paper, and thank you for your support, for you supporting my small business. I got candy. So this is always good. I just stick it over here on my drafting table. You all know the drafting table that everybody gets. I got her business card, and a trash drill cover minder thingy. So here's one. I'm not going to open this one. I'll probably give this one to Noelle, but maybe not because she took my trays. But this is what it looks like with the lid on. It's so cute. I'm going to open it. And so you just store your little trash drills here, and it's a cover minder. I thought this was really, really cute. So I'm going to put that to the side. Oh, I got a card. Oh, I didn't get a card, but I got tons and tons and tons. I think these are tattoos. Let me just be sure here. These are temporary tattoos, and I'm going to put them back. They are so cute. Look. So I'm just going to put these back in the envelope, and these will go to Noelle. So I'm going to put that up there for her. And then I got stickers. You can never have too many stickers. Oh, look at the dream catcher. Really like that. Then I got rainbow colorful sun, South American girl. Nice flower. Pretty pony unicorn. And the sun. Then I have baby unicorn poop fruit chews. That's a Noelle. I know they're fruit chews, but they got the word poop in it. Then she gave a little cover minder gift from the Country Craft Closet. I have not gone on this website, but I'm going to check it out. Way to advertise for another small business. So that's good. Then I have a note. Okay, so this tells you to check out this link for YouTube video on how to use it. This is not my first Tix tray. This is my second order. I did not realize that I ordered this many. So I don't know if 1, 2, 3. You know, she put a little extra in it, but maybe I did order that many. I got a honey brightening honey facial mask. So we're going to try that out. fill my stickers up. And more candy. Okay. Alright. So, what did I order? I ordered a bottom set, a bottom tray. Look at the rainbow colors. I really love this. Bottom set. I got one with a cover because these are stackable. I love them. So there's the tray and the lid, and they kind of slide in and click off, and then you stack them. They are stackable. So that's one stack, and I got yellow and green for the lid covers here. Since Noelle stole my other ones, I'll probably just let her keep them. See what colors I got here. I got another green. Where's my other? Okay, so these are the small ones, I believe. Another green. And an orange. So whatever I got with Noelle, I will probably trade them out. Why didn't this one come with the tray? With a top, with a lid. Yeah. So I'm glad I got this on video. I will ask her to watch this video. Because this one did not come with the lid. So but these did. So I don't know if one comes, I can't remember what my last order, if it just comes like this and we just do this. Anyway, what I'm in love with is the rainbow color. What I thought I also ordered was a pen holder, and I'm going to have to check my receipt on that. Yeah. Well, I think I tried to order the pen holder, but for some reason I couldn't get what I wanted, so it did not last. But I am going to email her as far as the tray to the top of this, and for verification, she can watch this video. Not the biggest deal. We know how one-stop shops and one-man companies work. So this is from Oh Snap Crafters Cafe from the Uncrafty Crafter. I believe her name is Jennifer. They did not have the bases, but I wanted to support her. And so I ordered what I saw that I liked that particular day. Her stuff goes quickly. When I tried to order a base, for some reason or other, Etsy kept declining my card or saying my card information was not correct. I had to log out, sign in onto one of my other Etsy accounts, and order it with the same card number, and I got it. So I'm not understanding that program. So thank you for supporting my small business. We got the little baggies, and let's show you this first. So I got a sticker that says throw kindness around. I got some strawberry nerds or something and washi tape. So I like that. Here I have a cover, the Snap for a base whenever I get it. So as soon as I get a base, but I thought this was gorgeous and goes with everything, and I think it was like $5 or $6. Who could pass that up? So I'm just waiting on the right base to set this off with. I love it. All right. So that's another small business support. Thank you, the Uncrafty Crafter at Old Snap Crafters Cafe, for the excellent idea. What I'm waiting on is the scented, and I have not gotten that. These two things, this says it comes from Elk Grove Village, Illinois, and I don't know what it is. So I hope it's not intimate. I don't know what it is. It's here, so you get to see it. So it's in a bag from Elk Grove Village, addressed to me. Throw that away. And then there are 2 bags within a bag, but they are apparently from some Asian type companies. And let's see what this is. Oh, fingernails. So I ordered these from Amazon, actually. Or I thought, no, I did not order them from AliExpress. So I got these rainbow type nails. They're really cute. They're too long. I will cut them. But that's that. I'm going to fold this back so you can keep eyeballing them. And let's just zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Then let's go for this next one, which is more of the metallic nails that I did not realize I purchased. And looks like this is a bag of nails, so did not realize. But I like this one because it had the pink in it. Like some of them, like you turn it this way, you see a lot of green. In these, I see the pink. I don't so much see the pink over here in these two. But, okay, I guess those are the accent nails. And then this one, okay, unmentionables. Some kind of underwear. I don't know. I don't recall ordering them. I will look at my Amazon account and check that out. This, I have no clue. Okay, so I really don't understand now because this, I only bought 1 set of these. So now I got this, which is what I thought I had via my email. But this, I don't recall ordering this or this. I do recall ordering these. But I got a package with 3 different things in it. So I don't know what had happened. And this actually has my address on it. So I don't know. But that's all I have for... Oops, is that all I have? Yeah. I think that's all I have for today. I will check you guys out later. Stay tuned for my whipping chat. That should have been today, which will be tomorrow. On Friday. You guys enjoy your Wednesday, and I will see you Friday. Bye-bye.